Writing software with LLMs is changing fast. We are moving past the copy-paste era of single prompts and entering the world of autonomous execution loops. This is loop engineering. Instead of a human developer acting as the manual interface between a compiler and an AI model, loop engineering orchestrates models through continuous run, evaluate, and repair cycles. It acts as the reconciliation loop, modifying code until tests pass. But naive loops have a massive hidden cost. If your execution harness treats the session as a single continuous thread, it appends every raw log and file revision. Prompt size grows quadratically, skyrocketing your cost and worsening your latencies. Even worse, this causes your context window to saturate. When a model's context is cluttered with historical failed drafts, its attention dilutes. It starts suggesting syntax bugs, loops logically on errors it already tried, and completely drifts away from the instructions you started with. To solve this, we must build state-aware, sandboxed repair loops. In our imperative baseline, we wrote Python scripts that explicitly run the compiler, parses the output, and then manually cleans historical tokens. It gives a lot of control, but couples environment setup directly with state logic. This is where a declarative design shines. Using the Google Agent Development Kit, we build our loop as a directed workflow graph. Nodes perform discrete tasks, while edges route the loop based on test successes. We inject a custom StatePrunerNode to automatically size away old history in memory. Across 30 runs, migrating legacy Python code, the declarative ADK 2.0 loop cut average input token overhead. No secondary LLM calls were necessary to summarize, and the graph handled state pruning out of the box. When building production grade agent loops, remember always sandbox code execution in isolated environments, decouple state pruning from model logic, and enforce strict token and iteration boundaries. Check out the repository and the blog to start engineering better agent loops today.